Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making some cozy rice. If you guys want to learn how to make this wonderful tasty cozy rice that I randomly made, then you are welcome on this channel. Let's get started, guys. To get started with this recipe, you will need to prep your vegetables first. So I am prepping my onion, and I'm also going to prep my green pepper and my tomatoes. So for everything that I'm using in this video, I will leave everything in the description below. So I'm just going to dice everything and then put them on a plate, as you guys can see in this video. So after dicing all our vegetables, we are going to go ahead and blend them in our food processor, or if you have a blender, go ahead and use your blender. So guys, I did not show you that I blended everything. Just make sure that you blend everything and set everything aside. As you guys can see over here, the next thing that we are going to do is move on to our cooking part. So to get started with our cooking, we are going to set our pot on a medium high. So in this pot, I just added 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some aromatic spices. So our first seasoning is going to be star anise, and I just added just a few pieces of the spice, and I added some cloves, and then you want to stir fry it for about a minute, and then go ahead and add in some onions, just a few onions that was left over from half of the onion that I had cut earlier. Now we are going to go ahead and pour in our rice, and you want to go ahead and stir fry your rice. And then now the next thing that we're adding is our seasoning, guys, which is Bombay biryani, and then stir fry for a little bit, and then add in our sazon and then some garlic. So for everything that I used, you are going to find them in the description below, and then we want to stir fry for about 5 minutes. So we are going to go ahead and move our rice into this bowl, as you guys can see over here. So after moving everything, we are going to move on to cooking our vegetables that we had already cut earlier. Then after that, guys, we are going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of butter so that our pot does not burn, and then add in all our ingredients and cook them for about 5 minutes so that the raw aroma leaves. And I'm adding some garlic salt, and then you want to go ahead and just mix it, and then place your lid on there to let it steam for a little bit. After the 5 minutes is over, add all your ingredients back and then mix everything. And after mixing everything, you want to go ahead and add in 1 cup of chicken broth. And then for this part, guys, you want to go continually mixing it, making sure that you are checking on your rice, and you're going to reduce your heat to a medium-low heat. So as you guys can see, I'm constantly, stirring in my rice because of all the tomato and all the thickness of the rice. I'm adding in my last cup of chicken broth, as you guys can see over here, which is 1 cup. And you want to go ahead and mix it, and then now reduce it to a medium low heat as you continue mixing it, and then add your lid on and let it simmer and steam by itself. And now, guys, the rice is done. As you guys can see over here, this rice was so good. My brother called it the cozy rice, and that's the reason why I named it the cozy rice, because it was so random. And I was just like, you know what, whatever comes out of this, if it's really good, I'm gonna share it. And guys, it was so good. And for my spring onions, guys, those were just, my little decorations, my garnish. You don't have to put the spring onions on there. So over here, I'm just plating everything, and I just want to say thank you for watching my channel, for subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share and comment. I will see you next time. Bye.